Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to watch NFL Redzone on Fubo TV. So first you need to log in to your Fubo TV account. Okay, you can do this through the Fubo TV app or go to fubotv and then sign in with your email and password. Now, on the home page or in your account settings, you tap on My Account, okay, and then select Manage Add-ons or Channel Lineup. Now here what you do is you look for a Sports Plus add-on, which includes NFL Redzone. So go ahead and select that and hit add, confirm any additional charges, and you are good to go. Then you can go ahead and, watch NFL Redzone live once the add-on is active. Okay, just go back to the live TV guide, scroll down and find NFL Redzone, tap on that and start watching. Very easy. Remember, guys, it only airs on Sundays during the regular season. Make sure you're tuned in when the action starts. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.